Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you stop syncing your Google contacts with Pipedrive CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to stop syncing your contacts from Google into your Pipedrive CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common for you to connect the wrong account into various softwares. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and stop syncing your contacts from Google into your Pipedrive, go ahead and click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on company settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu bar here to the left, and you want to click on contact sync. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show your Google Contacts email account right here. And in order to stop syncing the contacts between your Pipedrive and Google Contacts, click on Stop Sync here on the top right. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to disable the sync between Pipedrive and your contact provider? Click on Stop Sync. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Google Contacts email right here, and it says it's disconnected. If you want to go ahead and reconnect it, you can click right here on the right. And if you want, you can go ahead and completely remove the account right here. Now, if the contacts have already synced and you want to remove those, you're going to need to go into your contacts and delete those contacts if need be. If you need help deleting contacts in your Pipedrive, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to stop syncing your Google contacts into your Pipedrive, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.